हम इतना लड़ मरते हैं कौन सी हमारी नेशनल लैंग्वेज है. डू यू हैव एन आइडिया व्हाट इज आवर नेशनल लैंग्वेज? एक्चुअली गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया डजंट डिक्लेयर एनी लैंग्वेज एज द नेशनल लैंग्वेज ऑफ इंडिया. Why? Because India has huge language diversity. There are 22 state languages. India is a multilingual country. So government of India thought that giving one language the status of national language would exclude and alienate other people who speak other languages. And do you have any idea that Hindi is one of the official languages, the other being English, as per the Constitution of India 343, Article 343. Why? Because during 1950s to 1960s there were massive protests in Tamil Nadu. So government of India felt that choosing one language, the national language, would be imposing one language over other languages. So they decided to retain English along with Hindi for official work at national level. And all languages are equally respected as per the Constitution of India. So Constitution of India protects right of every language and every state to use its own language for official work, but at their state level. Hindi is the only language of India that we can use officially at national level for central government work. Only when it is written in Devanagari script, right? एंड पता नहीं हम क्यों लड़ते मरते रहते हैं. तो जस्ट रिपीट योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग इन शॉर्ट टू लॉक इट इन दैट India doesn't declare, government of India doesn't declare any language as the national language, but they as per the Constitution of India, Article 343, there are only one language of India, that is Hindi, that can be used officially at national level. And other languages are also we can use officially, but at the state level within their respective states. So I think this सब कुछ क्लियर हो गया होगा आप लोगों को, राइट? थैंक यू.